Hi guys, good afternoon from Calgary, Canada. So AI translation is now available right inside the Facebook app. Accessibility is super important to me, and the language can be a big barrier, especially if you speak different languages than your audience. That is why I'm so excited about the new Meta AI translation feature for Reels as of now. It keeps your content feeling authentically you, and the lip syncing feature even matches your mouth movements to the translated audio so it looks natural. Here's how it works. Before publishing your reel, click AI, translate your voice with Meta AI, then toggle on the translation feature and choose whether to enable lip syncing. That's it. Now, when you share your reel, both English and Spanish-speaking viewers can enjoy your content. It is an amazing option to make our educational content more accessible to more people. Before you film it, here are the 3 quick tips. Translation works best with solo videos where you're facing the camera. Second, speak clearly and make sure your voice is easy to hear. Third, keep it under 3 minutes. I found that my shortest Reels video often perform the best. Stick with it. You're building a community and reaching a global audience. Good luck and God bless from Calgary. Hope to see your AI translation soon. Let's grow, guys.